What's the meaning of broil? Broil. Broil.
Broil. Broil. The verb broil means to cook food using high, dry heat, typically in an oven or over a grill, until it becomes brown and crispy. Broiling is a fast and convenient cooking method that provides a similar result to grilling. When food is broiled, the outer layer becomes crisp and caramelized while the inside remains moist and tender. The intense heat of broiling causes the food to cook quickly, which helps to seal in the juices and flavors. Broiling is particularly suitable for thin cuts of meat, fish, and vegetables that can cook through quickly without drying out.